Adidas just put a digital watch on your finger. Not your wrist, your finger. And before you dismiss that as a fashion brand doing too much, hear me out, because there is actually something genuinely interesting happening here, and it goes beyond just the product itself. In this video, we are breaking down everything about the Adidas Originals Digital 2 ring watch. What it is, what it does, how it compares to the competition, and most importantly, whether this thing deserves a spot on your hand or belongs in the cool idea, bad execution graveyard. And I will tell you up front, the answer is more nuanced than you would expect. To understand why Adidas released this, you need to understand where it came from. Casio kicked off this whole ring watch conversation when their CRW001 quietly became a sleeper hit, a tiny digital watch in ring form that tapped straight into 90s nostalgia and the current wave of retro tech fashion. It was quirky, functional, and oddly wearable. Once that took off, it was only a matter of time before other brands noticed. Timex moved in, and now Adidas has jumped in too, partnering with Timex to bring their own version to market. So this is not a random product drop. It is Adidas staking a claim in what is starting to look like a genuine emerging niche. The question is what they actually brought to it.
Here is where it gets interesting, because Adidas made a very deliberate design choice, and it is the kind of choice that will either win you over completely or leave you cold. The ring is stainless steel with a mineral glass face, and the digital display shows exactly one thing: the time. No seconds, no date, no stopwatch, no alarm, no extra modes. Just the time, clean and large on a small screen. And honestly, that restraint is doing a lot of work here. By stripping everything out, the numbers on that display are bigger and sharper than anything you would get if they tried to cram in more information. It is a trade-off, but it is an intentional one. The expansion-style band means sizing is not a nightmare. You slide it on, it flexes to fit, and you move on with your day. Water resistance sits at 3 ATM, which covers splashes and rain, but nothing deeper. This is not a swim ring. It is streetwear that tells time, and it knows exactly what it is. But here's the real question. How does this compare to the Casio CRW001? Both are priced around $125, so this isn't about budget, it's about philosophy. The Casio goes all in on function, with features like stopwatch, alarm, and dual time, making it the better choice if you want true watch capability. But that comes with trade-offs, like a more complex interface and fixed sizing. Adidas takes the opposite approach: simpler, easier to wear, and more focused on design. Same price, completely different experience. And depending on your priorities, one will feel exactly right and the other won't.
So let's be honest about the audience here. This isn't for everyone, and that's fine. The Adidas ring is clearly aimed at the fashion and streetwear crowd. If you care more about how it looks than what it does, it fits perfectly as a wearable accessory that also tells time. At $125, it's priced like premium jewelry, not a gadget. But it's not a productivity tool. If you want features or interaction, this isn't it. If you want a clean, retro statement piece that just works and looks good doing it, it actually delivers. So, cool design or just a gimmick? Here's the honest take. If you expect a feature-packed wearable, it might feel like a gimmick. But if you see it for what it is, a minimal, fashion-forward ring with a clear purpose, it actually makes sense. The simplicity is the point. And with brands like Casio and Timex in this space too, this isn't just a novelty anymore. It's a growing niche. So what do you think? Does the Adidas ring make sense, or is Casio the better pick? Drop your thoughts below, and if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.